दिस इज़ सौरभ इसके और आपका स्वागत इस वीडियो में मैं फिर से करता हूँ। तो इस वीडियो में आपको मैं सोशल साइंस के और इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन बताने जा रहा हूँ। रिसोर्सेज ऑफ इंडिया ज्योग्राफी, ठीक है। चैप्टर 1, व्हाट इज मेंट बाय सोइल इरोशन, व्हाट डू मीन बाय सोइल कंजर्वेशन, व्हाट इज बेसिक ऑफ मॉडिफाइड फॉरेस्ट पॉलिसी ऑफ 1988, व्हाई once Indians Institute of Forest Management has been established. A short answer types question. What is the importance of soil in human life? What are the measure of water conservation? Conservation of forest is necessary. Why? Uh, how does forest control the climate? What is social forestry scheme? Long answer types question. Rainwater harvesting is important. Why? Established the direct and indirect advantage of forest. Describe the efforts of government in forest conservation. Draw level diagram of ero- soil profit. Chapter 2, resources of India. Second है, ठीक है। A very short answer of types question. What is white revolution? What do you mean by the green revolution? What do you mean by the blue revolution? Write the name of some important hubs and plants. यहाँ आप देख सकते हो। Short answer types of question. Uh, what are the food crops different between kharif and rabi crops? Write the difference between white and yellow revolution. Write the importance of minerals. Uh, what is the importance of iron in modern context? Write the provisions of horti- horticulture developed program. A long answer types question. Explain the contribution of agriculture to India economics. Why is Chota Nagpur Plateau known as minerals wonder of the world? Industries in India. Chapter 3. What is an industries? बुक पेज नंबर यहाँ दिया गया है। What is the biggest iron and steel plant of India? Tata Iron. What do you mean by pollution? In how many types of industries are there on the basics of ownership? Why is iron and steel industries called a basic industry? State and the need of established cottage and small scale industries on local level. Write the types of pollution. Long answer types question. How many types of industries are there in uh, established the contribute of industries in the national economic study and the measure to control the industries pollution, transported communication and foreign trades. Very short answer types of question. Where is the headquarter of the Indian Airlines? In Delhi. What is the main object of the Prime Minister Village Roads scheme? What do you mean by the transport and communication? Name the main international naval roads of India. What are the main hindrances of the international navigational transport? What is different between port and dock? What is meant by internet? What is meant by satellite communication service? What are the meant by foreign or international trades? Next, long answer types question. The means of transport are the guiding functions for the progress of human civilization. Explain. Write about the four means of communication. Describe the measure adopted to promote export in India. Map reading and depiction. Very short answer types question. What is not? How many central of seismology are the in India? What is storm? What is meant by weather science? How is weather information collection for preparing weather? देखो इसमें आपको सिर्फ साइंस और कुछ साइंस याद करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है, उससे आपको 5 नंबर मिल जाएंगे। A natural disaster and a disaster management. A very short answer types question. Which natural disaster occurring abruptly? What do you mean by the T silent the tsunami? What is measured on Richter scale? What do you mean by the disaster? What is drought and flood? What do more earthquakes occurs in Himalayan and northeastern region? Uh, what do my epidemics Mahamari spread? Please explain. What is meant by the disaster management? Explain the main elements of disaster management. A long answer types question. Explain the factors responsible for flood. Write the steps which should be taken to control floods. What is meant by earthquake? Description the earthquake affected area of India. Write an easy on disaster management. Chapter 7, the first freedom struggles of 1857. Very short answer types question. Name the place most affected by the freedom struggles of 1857. The name of few freedom fighters who led the freedom struggles of 1857. What were the immediate causes of freedom struggles of 1857? Why is the struggle of 1857 called the फर्स्ट स्ट्रगल्स फ्रॉम फ्रीडम? देखो यार, आपको मंगल पांडे आप देख लेना, सिंपल सी बात है, ठीक है। वाई आर द इंडियंस रूल्स एंग्री विद द ब्रिटिश रूल्स? व्हाट आर द कॉजेस ऑफ फर्स्ट स्ट्रगल ऑफ फ्रीडम? राइट द रीजंस ऑफ फेलियर फॉर द फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल। लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप्स क्वेश्चन। टट्टा, टॉप, रानी लक्ष्मी, राणा साहब। Lesson 8, a very short answer types question. National awakening and east of political organization in India. The name of leaders of aggressive nationalist. What is boycott? Boycott का मतलब होता है बहिष्कार करना। What are the policy adopted by Lord Curzon for India? How many representative party participated in the first conservation of national India Congress? 72 answer इसका। What are the role of Western thinking and education in the development of national? ठीक है। Name the newspapers which played an important role in development for national awakening. How were the cotton industries affected by the British policy of economic exploitation? Write the notes. बाल गंगाधर तिलक, विपिन चंद्रपाल, लाला लाजपत राय, सब गरम दल के मेंबर थे, ठीक है। Why was the partitions of Bengal cancelled? What are the objectives of the Khalifat and the non-cooperation movement? A right place were freed by the Azad Hind Army for the British by attacking them. What are the object of British government behind partition of Bengals? Write the importance of Lahore season of 1929 is the history of the freedom struggle. What were the reasons of constituting civil? Which method did Mahatma Gandhi advised to adopted during the freedom movement. Constitution of Madhya Pradesh in freedom struggle. Uh, where was Chandrasekhar Azad born? Name the place of organization said of the Madhya Pradesh. The name of newspaper published from Madhya Pradesh to around awareness for national awakening. What were Jungle Satyagraha? Write a note on the Chandrasekhar Azad Tantia Bill. Jai Bhil. Jai Tantia Mamaki. Important event of post-independence India. Name the missile prepared by India. पृथ्वी, त्रिशूल, नाग एंड आकाश. कोई पंगा मत लेना इंडिया से, बहुत भारी पड़ेगा. हाउ मैनी टाइप्स नेशनल emergency was declared in India for the solution of Kashmir problem? Why did the government of India and Pakistan to stop the entry of Kali levels? What are the effect of Indo-China war? What were the constitution laid down for the Tashkent agreement? Write the effect of Indo-Pakistan war. Write easy essay of Kashmir problem. Kashmir problem किसको नहीं पता है? Indian Constitution. Very short answer types question. What do you mean by the constitution? What do you mean by the indirect election? What is socialism? Write the constitution. Who is the protest of fundamental rights in India? Short answer types question. Who is the importance of constitution? इस लेसन में जय भीम, the father of constitution, B.R. Ambedkar. Who are the prominent members of the Constitution Assembly for Madhya Pradesh? Explain the meaning of socialism and secularism. Functioning of India democracy. What is the age of retirement of the justice for the Supreme Court? What is the number of the members of parliament from Madhya Pradesh? Is 29. 65 year. A member of parliament who is elected the speaker of House of People. Write the qualifications of the member of Lok Sabha. Describe the function of district panchayat. Write the function of prime minister. Write for function of government of state. Write the emergency power of president. Describe the function of the council of the minister. Describe the power of the Supreme Court. Main challenge before democracy. What are the main challenge before democracy? What is communism? What is the meaning of unemployment? Literacy is hardy in the way the healthy public opinion explain. What do you mean by the population explosion? Why should where be ban on drugs? Write the 4 reasons for increase in population. What measure should be adopted to check the growth of population? What is affected of drugs on the body? What measures should adopted to remove unemployment in India? How does nationalism affected the national unity? Economic development and planning. A very short answer types question. What is the meaning of economic developed according to the mercantilism? During the which period of time is national income calculated? What is the basic of calculating human development index? Short answer types question. What is per capita income? How it is calculated? What is national income? How it is calculated? What is India version 2020? अभी तक साला पूरा नहीं हुआ 2020. explain the meaning of economics planning and state the main objective of planning in India. They state the success and failure of planning. Chapter 16, Rules Developed and Empire Guarantee Scheme, which laws has been enacted by the government of India to enforce the right to work, who leads the work of redress of complaints relating to job, who is paid employment evidence. Short answer types question state the object of the National Rules Employment Guarantee Scheme. State the role of the Gram Panchayat in the National Rules Employment Guarantee Scheme. What is job card? How is it is obtained?